Welcome to the Space Quiz! Are you ready to put your knowledge to the test? Put your score in the comments down below so we can see what you got. Check out our channel for more videos like this. Let's begin! The word astrophysics is based on Greek words. Which of the following does astro translate to? The choices are A. Galaxy, B. Sun, C. Planet, and D. Star. The correct answer is choice D, star. Astrophysics is a word that comes from Greek. Astro means star, and physics comes from the Greek word physis, which means nature. You can't directly see a black hole. True or false? The correct answer is true. People can't directly observe black holes with telescopes because any electromagnetic radiation, including light, can't escape from black holes. We can only infer the presence of black holes and study them by detecting their effect on other matter nearby. Approximately how long does it take for light to travel from the sun to Earth? Your choices are 8.3 seconds, 8.3 minutes, 83 seconds, or 83 minutes. The correct choice is 8.3 minutes. The average distance from Earth to the Sun is around 150 million kilometers. The speed of light is 300,000 kilometers a second, so it takes around 500 seconds or 8 minutes and 20 seconds for light to travel from the Sun to Earth. Fill in the blank. The twin spacecraft Blank 1 and 2 were launched by NASA to study the outer solar system in 1977. They were designed to take advantage of a rare alignment among the outer four planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, in the late 1970s, and which would not take place for another 175 years. The answer is Voyager. Voyager 1 and 2 are exploring places further than anything launched from Earth. Continuing on their 40-plus year journey since 1977, they each are much further away from Earth and the Sun than Pluto. In August 2012, Voyager 1 made the historic entry into interstellar space. Voyager 2 entered interstellar space in November 2018. Each Voyager carries a golden record containing 116 images and a variety of sounds selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth, and are intended for any intelligent extraterrestrial life form who may find them. The International Space Station is the largest man-made object in space, which is about the size of a blank. Your choices are a basketball field, a tennis field, an American football field, or a school bus. The answer is choice C, an American football field. The ISS is so large that it wasn't launched entirely once. It was sent up in pieces and then constructed in orbit. The main construction was completed between 1998 and 2011. The ISS is also estimated to be the most expensive man-made object ever built, estimated at $160 billion. How long is one astronomical unit? Your choices are the mean distance between the Earth and Sun, the Earth and Moon, the Earth and Mars, or the size of our solar system. The correct answer is the mean distance between the Earth and Sun. An astronomical unit is a unit of length used in astronomy. An AU is the average distance from Earth to the Sun. It's equal to 150 million kilometers, or 93 million miles, or 8.3 light minutes. What is the Sun mostly made of? Your choices are hydrogen, helium, oxygen, or nitrogen. The correct answer is hydrogen. The sun is made of around 70% hydrogen and around 28% helium. Carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen make up another 1.5%, and other miscellaneous elements make up 0.5%. The sun shines because it is turning hydrogen into helium via the process of nuclear fusion. This means that as time goes on, the sun has less hydrogen and more helium. Saturn's rings have a diameter of 270,000 kilometers, or 170,000 miles, yet the rings are very thin. About how thin are they? Your choices are A, 1 to 100 meters, B, 10 to 1,000 meters, C, 1 to 100 kilometers, or D, 10 to 1,000 kilometers. The answer is B, 10 to 1,000 meters. The rings on Saturn have an estimated thickness of as little as 10 meters and as much as 1 kilometer. They are composed of 99.9% pure ice with a tiny amount of impurities. The main rings are primarily composed of particles ranging in size from 1 centimeter to 10 meters. On which planet is one day longer than 1 year? Your choices are Venus, Mercury, Mars, or Saturn. The correct choice is Venus. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to do a full rotation on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit around the Sun. A new study suggests that Venus's dense and stormy atmosphere acts like a brake on its rotation. It causes the days on Venus to be longer than a year. Which words are used to describe the shape of the moon? Select all that apply. Your choices are string, crescent, gibbous, or full. The answers are crescent, gibbous, and full. A full moon is when the moon is on the opposite side of the Earth from the sun. A crescent moon is the shape of the moon when it is less than half lit by the sun. A gibbous moon is when the moon is more than half lit by the sun, but not completely. It comes directly before or after a full moon. Thanks for watching! How did you guys do? Let us know in the comments down below. If you liked the video, subscribe for more. For more videos and questions, check out the video description below and join our free online course, Fascinating Space, on fulledu.com.